Are you tired of trying every weight loss method out there, only to see no results? Many of us struggle with stubborn weight that just won't budge. You might have tried diets, workouts, or even home remedies, but nothing seems to work. It's frustrating, and it can feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of disappointment. DIY solutions often lack the science and support needed for real results. Plus, they can be time-consuming and hard to stick with. You deserve something that actually works, without the hassle and guesswork. Enter Leptozan, a supplement designed to support your weight loss goals. It combines natural ingredients that help boost metabolism and manage cravings. Unlike other options, Leptozan focuses on a balanced approach, making it easier for you to stay on track.